Hey guys, I'm coming to you with breaking news. Came from 11 different sites, and the actual sites that are putting this out. So, major delivery causes carriers including Amazon, USPS, FedEx, and UPS are experiencing widespread service disruptions as of late January 2026 due to Winter Storm Fern. Our cousin's name is Fern. A massive system that has brought heavy snow, ice, and extreme cold to over 30 states. So I thought about it because my mail person won't be taking my mail if he gets here really late. It's going to go on the next one. If he doesn't bring anything, we didn't get mail on Saturday, and the storm started on Sunday. All right, so back to this. Current status by carrier. Amazon has issued in-app warnings to customers stating that deliveries may take longer than usual due to the severe weather conditions affecting logistics network. USPS, the post office, citing extreme Arctic vortex type temperatures, and blizzard conditions, the Postal Service has suspended service guarantees for Priority Mail Express through January 26th, 2026, which is today when I am reading this. Mail and package processing are impacted across regions from the southern plains to the northeast. FedEx issued a national service disruption notice warning that shipments with delivery commitments on Monday, January 26th, may be delayed with potential impacts continuing. Next, we have UPS reports that its main air hub in Louisville, Kentucky, is experiencing weather-related disruptions that may delay packages even in areas not directly hit by the storm. How to stay updated? Check the USPS service alerts page for local resident and business mail updates. Monitor FedEx service alerts for real-time news on national disruption levels. Review UPS service alerts for impacts on the air network and specific zip codes. Track your specific Amazon order through the Amazon Your Orders dashboard for updated delivery windows. And you can ask all different types of questions, they're saying, on AI if you need to. So I just wanted to get this out here as soon as possible. I'm in my pajamas and snow in the background, and I'll see you soon.